Got that on camera. Got that on camera.
Guys, we are standing in an abandoned parking lot waiting for my truck. I have not seen it yet. We are going to be doing some blindfolding so that I don't see it, and I can't tell you, I'm like shaking. I could throw up. I brought my dad along on this journey with me because I figured might as well make him see this beautiful thing, but stay tuned.
Turn this way.
I'm actually not cheating.
Right here, take your hand down.
Yes, I'm actually not cheating.
You can look at me. I gotta get a good video.
Well, I squished my face. You guys like my new BMW? It's really nice. Huh? Can I look now?
Nope.
Nice.
This BMW.
You can now. You can now.
Oh, she is so pretty. She's so pretty. Do you love it? Oh, wait, here. I'm like, I don't need the keys. Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
Sparkly. I want you guys to know that.
Right? It's big.
Oh man.
That's just a ride home.
I can almost cry.
It turned out beautiful.
That sun
Oh my
is
God.
just it's awesome.
This is crazy.
Sema, we made it.
It was hit or miss, but we made it.
We made it.
Oh my gosh.
It was touch and go.
This is so cool.
Isn't it amazing?
Such a good job.
It's beautiful.
The pictures that we're getting were like, he was like taking like this.
I think it's spiky.
I'm like, I don't even know what piece this is.
The wrap turned out really pretty.
Oh my gosh, Rob is pretty.
It matches perfectly, and we were worried about it mismatching, but
So he did such a good job. Good grief. This is so pretty. I love it. He's hired.
It's too late now.
don't do any burnouts, okay?
Well, I mean, it made for a really cool video if you did, so maybe not. Oh, okay.
I've banned burnouts.
Oh, God. I shouldn't have driven or worn such tight pants. I like the Renegade. It's so much.
Are you excited to drive it?
Oh, I'm excited.
Hit those switches, make it go up and down. The air switches. I don't know, I didn't touch it. It does it on its own.
It's out of control.
Cheers. Coffee. Taste.
What happens when you finally finish a truck build? And you make it to SEMA 2021.
You make it to SEMA. I've been joking I was gonna make it to SEMA 2022, but hey, 21 it happened. We're here. Now
The
Josh
garbage
is
can's
driving.
not though.